What's up, everybody? So I'm here at my other buddy's place where we day trade the Nasdaq micros market. So we're going to do that for an hour, and then I'll check in with you about lessons learned, moves made, so on and so forth. Make sure you're subscribed. Let me know in the comments as things come up if you have any questions about what it is I'm talking about and what we're doing. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you hit the like button so we can keep on shifting this channel and making sure that the shows are shows that you want to watch. All right, let's get into it. Well, we're done. It was about an hour of trading, about 2 hours total with wrap-up convos, somatic checkouts, lessons learned. Super successful. Let's talk. So again, we're using NinjaTrader, playing Nasdaq micros, and we traded for about an hour. We've got an algorithm that we're working with that we stuck to. We saw 3 potential entries. Only one of them fit all of our criteria, so we only went in on the one. It worked out. The 2 that did not fit our criteria, we did not go in on, and they wouldn't have worked out. So we're batting 3 for 3 today, 1,000, which increases confidence, which increases the comfortability of going in with more money. So we were 1 for 1 in trades and 3 for 3 in predictions. I'm feeling super good about that, but I'm also feeling great about my increased sense of sort of like comfort, vision, and understanding in the market. It enabled spotting a sort of like new secondary behavior or theory or algorithm, which potentially opens up more trades, allows us to get a little bit more complex without overloading the new guy. And to talk about that just for a second is basically seeing, instead of just seeing a trend channel, we saw a trend, a wedge, basically a rising wedge, or in our terminology, a royal rising wedge, because it contained the 9 and 20 EMAs. And we didn't see it satisfying our criteria as it was breaking through the trend. It didn't crash through the trend. It started to form a bullish pennant, which is a sort of consolidation pattern. And I'm really excited about all these consolidation patterns because it feels like it builds up potential, like it's ready to pop. And then you just need to know if it goes up or down more often than not. And so in this case, we saw an upward rising wedge and this bullish pennant. And it looked and felt pretty obvious, like the sells were low volume and the buys were still solid, and then it was going to pop up back into the trend. If we took that bet, it would have worked out, but it wasn't part of our agreed upon algorithm going into the day, so we didn't do it. Overall, super proud of us maintaining the container, sticking to our algorithms, sticking to our entry criteria is usually what I'm talking about when I talk about the algorithm, but we've also got algorithms for the stops and limits, and sometimes we've even got different algorithms for when and why we'll sell. Like we've got a shaft theory in the works. What else? Yeah, proud that we didn't take where we didn't satisfy enough of our criteria in our algorithm. Our first trade was exactly by our algorithm, and we stuck to all of it for the stops and limits, no fiddling, and the algorithm worked for a bonus. Yeah, and I think that me and my buddy who do this ninja trading, NinjaTrader day trading, intraday trading of the Nasdaq micros, we're reaching new levels of efficient communication flow. What else? We're using volume, which I think is important. We just added that today. Answer some unsolved questions. I mean, it's just a good all-around successful day. Made a bunch of money today. We stuck to our algorithms. We're growing both in the algorithms as well as in the reality of the larger container, in the relationship. And we still did wrap up, favorite lessons learned, and somatic checkouts, which to me is the most important piece of maintaining the relationship in this sort of high-stress situation. So I'll wrap it there. I mean, if you like this kind of thing, definitely give a like on the video. If you have any questions or anything, hit up in the comments. I know I have a ton of questions still, and I'm happy to answer any of your questions as you're getting started in the trading game. It's becoming clear to me that this can be lucrative, especially because my other buddy who does swing trading is just absolutely consistently crushing it. Again, if you want to get in contact with him, let me know. And make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you real soon. It's good. Keep getting better. Take it easy.